As the presentation of the 2018 A-Class is nearing, Mercedes' hold on the official data is extricating. It turns out the section-level hot brain fort that we as a whole assumed was the A40 will be known as the A35. So shouldn't something be said about power? All things considered, the A35 is clearly going to utilize a 2.0-liter turbo, much the same as every one of the opponents we said. BMW is likewise concocting the A135i hatchback utilizing its front-wheel drive stage. Our information obviously indicates 300 horsepower on the check for the Bavarian. With Mercedes, and to be sure all German brands at the present time, it's constantly least demanding to expect that motor sharing will happen. Things being what they are, is there a 2.0-liter turbo with 300 horsepower in the lineup? Truly. It's the M264 4-barrel turbo that was simply presented on the E350 Coupe and Cabriolet. It makes absolutely 299 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque in those arrangements. On account of an EcoBoost framework, 48 volts, giving an extra 10 kilowatts, this game plan is more temperate even than the less intense C200, 184 horsepower, models. Why is that essential? Since the AMG Manager additionally the A35 will set its own benchmarks in the section. What's more, as we as a whole know, there aren't any mellow crossover hot hatchbacks with 300 horsepower.